Hey everyone, it's 𝗂𝘂𝘃𝗶𝗃 here. So you're thinking about a cruise? Or maybe you've already booked your trip. Ditch the brochures and close those tabs because today we're diving deep, uncovering the 8 cruise ship secrets they don't want you to know. These are the insider tips, the pro moves, the stuff that seasoned sailors use to turn their vacations from ordinary to extraordinary. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. First things first, let's talk real estate. Not just any real estate, but prime, ocean view, floating real estate. Your cabin. Picking the right cabin can make or break your cruise experience. Trust me, you don't want to end up stuck under the disco, serenaded by thumping bass all night. Most people just focus on getting the cheapest interior room. Big mistake. You're going to be on this ship for days, maybe even weeks. Do you really want to spend all that time crammed into a windowless box? Go for a cabin, in a quiet zone, away from the hustle and bustle of the main attractions. Close to the pool, but not directly under it. Near the elevators, but not right next to them. Pay attention to what's above and below your cabin. You don't want to be stuck under a noisy gym or a late-night comedy club. Check those deck plans. A little research goes a long way. Alright, let's talk loyalty programs. I know what you're thinking. Hey, pause. 2. Those things are just a way for companies to spam my inbox. But cruise line loyalty programs can save you money and get you perks. Free drinks, onboard credits, even cabin upgrades. It's all on the table. Even if you're a first-time cruiser, sign up before you set sail. You'll start racking up points immediately. Because, hey, who doesn't love free stuff? Okay, let's talk shore excursions. Those pre-packaged excursions offered by the cruise line, they're often overpriced and packed with tourists. Now, I'm not saying all ship-organised excursions are bad, some can be great, but if you really want to experience the destination like a local, you gotta ditch the herd and forge your own path. Do your research. Before you even set foot on the ship, spend some time digging into the ports you'll be visiting. Read travel blogs, watch YouTube videos. Wink, wink. Find out what the locals do for fun. Once you have a good lay of the land, start planning your own excursions. You can book private tours, rent a car, or even just hop on public transportation and explore on your own. Not only will you save money, but you'll have a much more authentic and memorable experience. Travel is about exploration and discovery. Don't be afraid to get off the beaten path and create your own adventure. Let's be real, one of the best parts of cruising is the food. I'm talking endless buffets, multi-course meals, and those midnight snacks that always seem to taste better at sea. But there's a strategy to conquering the culinary landscape of a cruise ship. First things first, reservations are your friend. Especially if you're sailing on a larger ship, those specialty restaurants fill up fast. So, as soon as you board, make your reservations for the entire cruise. Next, don't be afraid to explore. Sure, the buffet is tempting, but most cruise ships offer a variety of dining options, from casual cafes to upscale restaurants. Take advantage of the diversity and try something new every night. Look out for special dining deals. Many cruise lines offer packages that bundle multiple specialty dining experiences at a discounted price. It's a great way to save some cash and indulge your taste buds. Let's address the elephant in the room, cruise ship weight gain. Cruises are all about indulgence, but you don't have to come home feeling like you need a vacation from your vacation. Balance indulgence with activity. Most ships have state-of-the-art fitness centers. You can have your cake and eat it too, just break a sweat afterwards. Stay active to burn off those extra calories. It's about feeling your best to enjoy all the ship has to offer. The crew is your secret weapon, building bonds for a better experience. The crew can make or break your cruise experience. These are the people who are going to be taking care of you, feeding you, entertaining you for the entirety of your trip. So it pays to be nice to them. And I'm not just talking about basic politeness here, although that's important too. I'm talking about making an effort to get to know the crew members, to treat them like human beings instead of just employees there to serve you. Remember their names, ask them about their day, engage in genuine conversation. You'll be surprised at how far a little kindness can go. Not only will you be brightening their day, but you might even get some special perks thrown your way. Even if you don't get any material benefits, the feeling of connection and camaraderie you'll experience is priceless. Let's be honest, cruises are designed for entertainment. I'm talking Broadway-style shows, live music, comedy acts, themed parties, you name it, they probably have it. But with so much going on, it can be tough to keep track of everything and make sure you don't miss out on the good stuff. That's why you need to become a master of the daily schedule. As soon as you board, grab a copy of the ship's newsletter or download the app. Study it, highlight the events you're interested in, and plan your days accordingly. Just because an activity looks cheesy or touristy doesn't mean you should automatically write it off. Some of my most memorable cruise moments have been spontaneous dance-offs, karaoke nights, and even belly flop contests. Don't be afraid to let loose, embrace the silliness, and just have fun. You're on vacation after all. Let your hair down and enjoy the ride. Expect the unexpected, embracing spontaneity on the high seas. No matter how meticulously you plan, there are always going to be unexpected detours, last-minute changes, and spontaneous opportunities that pop up out of nowhere. And you know what? That's okay. In fact, it's often those unplanned moments that turn into the best stories. So, embrace the unexpected, be open to changing your plans, trying something new, and going with the flow. Maybe you'll stumble upon a hidden gem in port, strike up a conversation with a fellow passenger who becomes a lifelong friend, or get roped into a game of pool volleyball with the entertainment staff. Whatever it is, say yes to the adventure. Thanks for watching. I hope these secrets help you have an amazing cruise experience. Whether you're a seasoned sailor or a first-time cruiser, remember to embrace the journey, explore with an open mind, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. The world is your oyster, my friend. Now go out there and shuck it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share your own cruise tips in the comments below. Bon voyage!